The studio, guys. It's Lee today, down at the studio. Today we've got this mocker. It's owned by a stable worker. She deals with horses and stuff. It's very dirty, a lot of hay inside, as you can expect. Come have a look at all the dirt.
Guys, you pulled us up to over 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for keep tuning into these videos. And at the end of this video, we're going to do the live draw for the Gtechiq giveaway. Stay tuned to right at the end of the video.
So as you can see, dirt, hay, stones, some other stuff that we probably don't know what it is. It's definitely a workhorse, this vehicle, but no challenge for us. See what we can do with it today. Right guys, that's the mocker finished. Got all the hay out, wet back the seats, wet back the carpets. Looks a lot better inside now. Thanks for tuning in again. I'll hand it over to Rob for the 1000k giveaway. You can cut that, can't you? And then I'll just do the 1k giveaway. I'll hand you over to Rob for the 1k giveaway. If you keep standing behind me with no trousers on, I'm gonna kick him in the balls. Over and out.
So, last week we asked you to comment on the video to take part in the Gtechiq giveaway. Just to point out, there's no product placement in this video. However, 108 of you commented on the video all together, and we're going to do the draw now. We asked for 1,000 subscribers, you gave us 2,000. So we've been kind enough to give away 2 Gtechiq bundles. So we're going to do 2 draws. Good luck, guys. Here we go. First one coming up. 3, 2, 1. Richard W, congratulations. Gtechiq giveaway package on its way to you. Next one coming up. 3, 2, 1. Rob Moran, congratulations to you as well. Guys, we'll drop a comment on your posts just asking if you can email us your address information and we can get those packages sent out to you.